Hello everyone, in this video let us create a simple Google Apps script to write hello world. So go to your Google Drive and create a new Google Sheet where we will write our very first code to display hello world message on our sheet. So when you are in your sheet, you can go to the tools option on top, and then if you go to the script editor, you will be taken to a different window where you can actually write your code. So you can actually start writing your code straight away. And to write hello world, I will be using a method called browser.message box. So message box is basically a function that will let you display some message on your Google Sheet. So for this particular example, I just want to display a simple hello world. So I will select message box, and then I will change my text to hello world. So let me write hello world here. And once you write your hello world message, I can actually simply save my file. So to save my file, I need to give my project a name. So let us name our project as hello world, or maybe hello project. Let me rename it to hello world. And this is actually it. You can actually start executing it. So there is this option on top called run. If you press the run button, you can actually play with your code, but if you are doing it for the very first time, you might need to give this particular code permission to access your data on your drive. So if you click on review permission, you will be taken to a different place where you can actually select your Google account from which you want to access your data. So you can select your Google account and then simply click on the advanced, and then go to the unsafe option, because we just want to quickly understand how we can execute and run this particular piece of code. So once you have given the permission, you can see here that on top it says running function my function, and if you go to your sheet, you can see this hello world message displayed. So this is one of the most simple script that you can write, just a one-line script. Let us run it again. So if you go to this particular code again, you can press the run button on top, and when you see this message on top, running function my function, just go back to your sheet and take a look whether you see any message or not. So this is it, guys. This was a very simple example of how you can start interacting with your Google Sheet data, and how you can actually start writing your code using Google Apps Script. So I hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.